This channel is for education. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon down below.
Science practice worksheet. Label the parts of the fish using the word bank. Classify fish body parts: mouth, eye, dorsal fin, gills, tail. Parts of plant. Write in the name of each part of the plant: flower, leaf, seed, root, stem. Circle where the plant will produce new seeds. Identify the parts of a plant. Cut out the labels and paste them in place. Flower, fruits, stem, leaf, root. Fill in the blanks: light, air, oxygen, water. Photosynthesis creates food for plants. Number 1. Plants use from the sun. Number 2. Plants use carbon dioxide from the. Number 3. Plants use from the soil. Number 4. Plants grow and give out. Fill all answers in the blank spaces. Shade structure. The sun sends us light and heat. Which block of ice melts faster? Which girl is hotter? Draw something to make the boy cooler. What make better shade? An umbrella or piece of glass? And why? Animal life cycles. Draw and label the 4 stages in order: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly. The pictures below show the different stages of butterfly's life. Choose the words from the box to tell about each picture. Number each picture to show the correct order: adult, pupa, egg, larva. Life cycle of a frog. Cut and paste the pictures to put the frog life cycle in order. Five animals' habitats. Match the habitat with its description and an animal that lives there. Habitat: ocean, forest, desert, Arctic, grassland. Description number 1. Very cold place where snow is on the ground most of the year. Description number 2. Very hot and dry with little vegetarian. Description number 3. Most of the plants here are grasses. Description number 4. Lots of trees and plants and plenty of water. Description number 5. Huge bodies of salt water. Animals: camel, seal, deer, zebra, shark.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon down below.